Mosasaurus. Then T-Rex. Wait, Baryonyx. Dilophosaur. Okay, I'll unboxing all of them. Okay, this is Baryonyx, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Dilophosaur, and Mosasaurus. These Mosasaurus are a bit different. Are the others dino? But that's not the same. Now I will show the bite you guys. With my sister finger. Okay, sorry, but she did what I have. I don't know. And this is Dilophosaur. This is different too. And this is Baryonyx. Okay, we will see the articulation. Is the leg, the tail can move, and the leg can move, and the hand can move.